Hi parents, thank you for joining us today. Last week we sent you a class dojo message about our science activity that we'll be doing this week. We are not doing a reading packet, like a homework packet this week. We're going to just focus on this little science project. So the science project is about the solar system and putting it in order. We have sent home a bag with your child with all the supplies. You have scissors, crayons, a glue stick, and the planets page. And the planets page has the names of the planets. Of course, this is the sun. That one's not labeled, but we all know that's the sun. And at the very bottom, it says the colors needed for the sun and the planets. And it tells you what color we're going to be using. So that will be in the bag. When you are done coloring it, it should look like this somewhat. Please make sure you let your child color. Don't color it for them. But you can sit with them. Of course, you have to sit with them and kind of help them out with the colors. But after you're done, please go ahead and start cutting them out. They have the little dots, so you can cut around. And when you do so, I suggest that you try to have your child cut around with the name attached to it. Okay? When you are done, you're going to put them in order on the sentence strip. And there is a sentence strip in here. I did forget to show you that. But there's a sentence strip in there. You can make it into a hat. You can make it into, or just a little wall hanging with the planets in the correct order. The students at school have been practicing the order of the planets, and we have it right here, just in case you need it. You need to refer back to this video. I have the way we used to learn it. My very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. But we don't do Pluto anymore because it's considered a dwarf planet. So we've kind of X-made that one, and now we're doing my very excellent mother just served us nachos. And the beginning of the word represents the planet. So we have my is Mercury, very is Venus, excellent is Earth, mother is Mars, just is Jupiter, served is Saturn, us is Uranus, and nachos is Neptune. Okay, so we're learning the planets a little bit differently this nowadays. We're not including Pluto anymore. So just have fun with this project. You don't have to do it all in one night. I suggest, taking your time coloring the planets, maybe 1 or 2 a day, and then maybe by Friday assembling it on your sentence strip. So it'll look like this. And like I said, you can hang this up on the wall. If you forget the names of the planets or forget the order of them, you can always refer back to the video.
No homework.
And no homework. Yay! It's space, so you get to do space stuff. All right, y'all have fun.